Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Reddit messages not loading problem on your mobile device. First of all, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the chat loads properly. Next, open the Reddit app, then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. After that, go into settings. Then scroll all the way down and then tap on Clear Local History. This helps remove temporary box or cache data that might be causing the issue. If that doesn't work, go to your device's settings, then tap on General followed by iPhone Storage. After that, find Reddit from the list of apps and tap on it. And finally, tap on Offload app. Then reinstall it. This usually fixes most message loading problems. Also, make sure your Reddit app is up to date. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Reddit and tap on Update if there's a new version available. If the problem still continues, try logging out and logging back in or uninstall and reinstall the Reddit app. This refreshes your account connection completely. And finally, check if Reddit servers are down by visiting downdetectors.com. If there's a server issue, you will just need to wait for Reddit to fix it. And that's all. Your Reddit messages and chats should now be loading again.